Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to online session with the new topic, agreement with compound subjects. So unit 9, and please page open 191. A compound subject consists of two or more subjects that share the same verb. So compound subject mean two or more than two subjects which is sharing the same verb. Like an example, Micah and Rosa cheered at the basketball game. So Micah and Rosa, these are two subjects, but they share one verb which is cheer. Two or more subjects joined by an or both. I have highlighted an or both and take a plural verb. Examples: skiing and ice skating are my favorite winter sports. So two subject joined by an. First example is about an and the second is about both. Both Liz and Jessica do well in math class. However, if an joins words that refer to a single person or thing, the subject is singular and takes a singular verb. Now I have highlighted an with the purple color, but if an is using for the same person or if an is used for the same thing, then in that case it would take singular verb. Example: a singer and songwriter from Mysore is here today. So singer and songwriter, it refers to the same person. So that's why it takes singular verb. When a compound subject is joined by or, nor, either, or neither, nor, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. I will repeat this again. Here is a subtle technicality that you have to give full attention in order to grasp this grammatical point. When a compound subject is joined by or nor, either or neither nor, then the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. Now what does it mean? I highlighted: neither Bob nor his parents are at the barbecue. Now here you can see Bob is singular, but after nor, parents subject is plural. So according to this later subject, the verb will come. Since parents is plural subject, so it is followed by plural verb. I hope you got the point. Exercise 1. Draw two lines under the verb in parentheses that best completes each sentence. Nachos and peanuts are his favorite snacks. So this is obviously plural because joined by an, and peanuts also plural. Sentence number 1. English and art are the subjects I like most. Sentence 2. Neither the coach nor the players. It's also come like in the example on the previous slide. After nor comes the players, and players, since players is plural subject, so it will take plural verb. Sentence 3. Both Sherry and Nigel bring yogurt in their lunches. And we have discussed this, that when both comes, both and it takes plural verb. Sentence 4. Max or Jared does the washing and Sarah does the waxing. So Jared is singular subject, it takes singular verb. 5. Hamburgers, hot dogs and french fries are on the menu. So french fry plural, it takes plural verb. Sentence 6. Either magazines or newspapers was acceptable at the paper drive. Magazine plural, but after all comes newspapers, and in the previous lecture we have studied that newspapers takes singular verb. It ends, certain nouns ends with s, so newspaper is one of them, so it takes singular, it considers singular subject or noun, and it takes singular verb. Sentence 7. Both singers and dancers perform in the parade. So dancers, so these are plural, it takes plural verb. Sentence 8. Neither bowling nor tennis interests Cody. Sentence 9. Mario's piano teacher and mentor is an outgoing person. So piano teacher and mentor referring to the same person, that's why it takes singular verb. Sentence number 10. 2 nickels or a dime works in that vending machine. So a dime is a singular subject, so it takes singular verb. Sentence 11. Either the blue blouse or the pink shirt looks good with those pants. Pink shirt is singular, so it will take singular verbs. Singular verb. Sentence number 12. Sad songs or movies make Yoni cry. So movies plural, it take plural verb. Homework. Dear student, please complete the following page as your homework, which is related to the same topic, page 192. Thank you very much and have a nice day.